Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish live food. Live foods offer incredible benefits, boosting your fish's health, growth, and vibrant colors. They encourage natural hunting instincts, providing mental stimulation and reducing boredom in your aquarium. Furthermore, live foods are fantastic for conditioning your fish, preparing them for successful breeding. These tiny organisms are packed with essential proteins, healthy fats, and vital vitamins, making them a superior dietary supplement for nearly all aquatic pets. When considering live foods, several options stand out. Daphnia, also known as water fleas, are small crustaceans that are highly nutritious and relatively simple to culture at home. Brine shrimp, particularly their newly hatched nauplii, are perfect for feeding tiny fry and smaller fish due to their size and high protein content. Microworms are another excellent choice for baby fish, providing a dense source of protein. For larger fish, protein-rich bloodworms and tubifex worms are very popular. Cultivating live foods at home is simpler than you might think. For Daphnia, use a 5 to 20-gallon container with aged water and feed them a small amount of active dry yeast dissolved in water. Brine shrimp eggs hatch best in salt water with constant aeration, ideally at a temperature between 26 and 28 degrees Celsius. Microworms thrive on a moist medium of bread or instant oatmeal in a small plastic container. Remember to feed your cultures regularly with their specific food, such as yeast or spirulina powder. Proper feeding and storage are crucial for success. Always rinse live foods with dechlorinated water before offering them to your fish to remove any excess culture medium or contaminants. Feed only a small amount that your fish can consume within 2 to 3 minutes to avoid fouling your tank water. For storage, keep live foods in cool, dark, airtight containers or refrigerate them for a few days. Maintaining 2 or 3 separate cultures ensures a consistent and healthy supply of live food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.